Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be making fried potatoes and leeks. Alright, and actually this is the first time I've ever worked with leeks. I don't know, I've just somehow missed it. Alright, so first thing I want to do is take off the outer leaves. And so I should have cooked these a little bit sooner, but that's okay. They'll still work. And they wouldn't have been quite as brown. But, hey, it is what it is. Now I'm cleaning it. Alright, now you want to cut off both ends, the root end, and then where the green part starts to split. That's about where I cut them. Alright. And so you can use the green part, you just got to cook it a little longer. Alright, now once you trim the ends, you're going to split your leeks down the middle. Alright, and this can be tricky, but just take your time to do it right. Alright. So I'm actually nervous doing this. But I wanted to do it right. Alright, now once you split it, you're going to want to rinse it out, rinse between the layers. These are actually quite clean, so I was actually impressed. Now what I'm going to do is cut them into 1/2-inch slices, like so. Alright. Okay, now they're ready to go into a skillet. Alright, oh, I forgot this one little last piece. Alright, so in a skillet on medium heat, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And once the butter is melted, you're going to put your leeks in there so they can soften. Alright, now you want to mix your leeks a little bit so they can wilt evenly. And then once they start to wilt, you're going to add your potatoes. I added that was about 7 potatoes. I got a little potato happy today. And then you're going to want to season your potatoes. And I used seasoning salt, although you could just use salt and pepper. You could put some herbs in there, whatever you like, you can put on there. Alright, and then I'm going to actually add about a 1/2 cup of water. So that'll help steam the potatoes. And then you want to cover it, put it on low heat, and cook it for about 30-40 minutes. Alright, now once they're cooked, you want to test to see if they're tender, and yes, they're fork tender. Now I'm going to mix them, making sure the leeks and potatoes are, well distributed amongst each other. It's kind of like a nice flavor party. Alright. So once you do that, you want to taste for seasoning. And I decided to add a little steak seasoning. I've had this little love affair with steak seasoning lately. So I added about a teaspoon. Make sure that's thoroughly mixed. Look, its own sauce with that butter. Great, so good. Alright, so thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more. And I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.